Look, so you're kind of right, and you're also kind of like not right as well. So mitochondria aren't bacteria anymore, and that is actually correct. So mitochondria evolved billions of years ago from bacteria. It was their own separate organism, and over the space of literally billions of years, there is a symbiotic relationship between people, humans, beings, and what used to be this bacteria. Now, it's interesting that mitochondria actually have their own separate genome, which is crazy. It's got a separate DNA, and it's actually passed down through the mother mostly. It's very small, right? So very small, and it looks more like the DNA of bacteria than the DNA of like a dog or a human or a pig or whatever, right? So they are this separate little entity, this little powerhouse inside your cells, and we do have this symbiotic relationship with them. We couldn't survive without mitochondria, but they are ancient bacteria. It did come from bacteria, and they still are a separate kind of thing inside our bodies, which is wild to think that actually, when you really deep this, because they're in every single cell, and there's a lot more mitochondria than cells, then we're actually mostly this ancient bacteria, right? And less human, where you then think, are they controlling us to survive, or are we controlling them? And actually, I think it's like, well, we're just the little meat puppets that are being controlled by our mitochondria. Interesting thought.